Principal Sir, Principal Ma'am, my respected teachers, and all my friends. My name is Aishwarya Babele and I am a student of class 11th Heaven. At first, I would like to wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. Today we all gather in this celebration with great gratitude and fervor to acknowledge our privilege of being born in free India and celebrate our 75th Independence Day. Because India becomes independence from British Empire on 15 August 1947 after a hardship and sacrifices of our brave Indian freedom fighters. What a poetry that someone wrote. कि जंग लड़े वो वीरों की तरह जब खून खौलकर फौलाद हुआ, कि जंग लड़े वो वीरों की तरह जब खून खौलकर फौलाद हुआ, मरते दम तक डटे रहे वो, कि मरते दम तक डटे रहे वो, देश तो तभी यारो आज़ाद हुआ, देश तो यारो तभी आज़ाद हुआ. In this day, we not only celebrate our Independence Day, but we also dignity to those who fought for it, to the ones who are respect for our country, to the ones who sacrifice themselves for our motherland and dedicate their life in the battle of India's independence. We tribute our great freedom fighter like Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru ji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Lala Lajpat Rai and all. Our visionary freedom fighters collected a diversity of world views to forge a common national courage towards one direction. They were given away to the cause of liberating Bharat Mata from outrages and tyrannical foreign regimes and ensuring the future of her children. Their intention and action to build an identity of India as a modern nation. We gain freedom when we have paid the full price. Great freedom fighter Bhagat Singh says, लिख रहा हूँ आज़ाम जिसका कल आगाज आएगा, लिख रहा हूँ आज़ाम जिसका कल आगाज आएगा, मेरे लहू का हर कतरा इंकलाब लाएगा. मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ पर मेरा वादा है तुमसे, मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ पर मेरा वादा है तुमसे, मेरे बाद वतन पे मरने वालों का सैलाब आएगा. I would like to say that we are fortunate to be an Indian and live freely as a proud citizen of our country. So let's celebrate today with great enthusiasm and exuberance as we are the youth generation. It is our duty to serve nation and keep up the legacy, doing something great for our following generation, and we will make it. Let's all work together for the growth and development of our country and make every possible efforts to restore the lost kudos and majesty and take our country to superior rank in a league of nation. At last, I want to say that हम आज़ाद हैं, ये आज़ादी कभी छिनने नहीं देंगे, तिरंगे की शान को कभी मिटने नहीं देंगे. कोई आंख उठा के भी देखेगा हिंदुस्तान की तरफ, कोई आंख उठा के देखेगा हिंदुस्तान की तरफ, उन आंखों को फिर दुनिया देखने नहीं देंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.